So I'm 25 plus years, started like a lot of us do. Couldn't afford cars, didn't have a lot of room, raised by a single mom. She bought me a motorcycle and we started playing with it. So it was a matter of just taking stuff apart. I started to realize I didn't know what I was doing. I was breaking stuff. And I had a real desire, so I went to a college back in Iowa. It was the only college at the time in Iowa you could go to. Got those skills I needed to be just good enough to get a job. Then it ended up me teaching professionally, taught the last 13 years at a college where I was able to develop the curriculum, develop the courses, more towards the things I thought were really important in this industry. Fortunately, we had 15 million people line up with us on our YouTube channel. Schools all over the country were using the curriculum, using the videos and the training. It was all just about passing on skill sets to make each other better. I started How to Wrench then back in 2017 to take it to the next level, to try and basically pull all this stuff together where it was super easy to access on our YouTube channel through playlists, through our website. If you want to learn about fuel systems, there's entire playlists. Electrical, we're really ramping up the video, the editing side of it. So it's the content's just great. The zoom, the close-ups, the great experiments of the befores and afters. We're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, we're on Instagram. But if you're really looking for the skill sets, get over to YouTube. We started that restoration series, which your machine's been a big part of, where we've been doing the how-tos on how to restore motorcycles and parts. You were teaching me things about my machine today that I didn't know for the last couple years. I'm only gonna be better now because what I learned from you personally working here in the shop. And I'm just really excited to be part of another company that wants to teach people how to do it right.